Hare Krishna. I welcome once again for all of you for today's most interesting topic, the secret. The secret, yes, the secret. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Rajavidyam Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam. Lord is saying that this knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secret, and the most purest knowledge. So today you are all hearing the secret is revealed. Chant, 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 chant the holy name. Life, life, life will never be the same. Put aside all the shame. Just chant, chant, chant the holy name. Very simple to understand this. This body is not all in all. The soul exists. This material world is not all in all. The spiritual world exists. We are not all in all. God exists. Yes, we are not this body, we are soul. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Mamayivamsham jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. That means we are all part and parcel of Krishna. Our actual Swarup is that Jiva Swarup Nitya Krishna Das. The constitutional position is that I am the servant of Lord Shri Krishna. It's an emergency. There is a great need of an hour. Haribol, Haribol. Krishna consciousness is the ultimate goal. So we need all of you to help us in this mission to spread Yare kaho tare kaho Krishna Upadesh. If we don't become an instrument, then we are the loser. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has already predicted in every village and town the Lord's name will be chanted. So it's a good fortune that we all can participate in this. It's a very important thing to understand these three C's: compare, compete, and criticize. So I'll tell you a small quick story. So once upon a time there was a black bird, a crow, and this bird had a lot of inferior complexity. It is to always find fault in others. So to make an investigation, this bird once met another bird, Koil, and we know Koil is a sweet singer. So when this crow, the black bird, approached the Koil and said, "You are the most beautiful bird, and your voice is so sweet." And the Koil said, "There's nothing so special about me, because you see, there's another bird, parrot. Look at that parrot, so beautiful. It's greenish color. It is fully green. It has a red beak. It's so attractive. Why didn't you go and ask the parrot, not me?" So this bird, the black bird, goes to the parrot and starts approaching. And the parrot says, "There's nothing much special about me. If you really want to know the most beautiful bird, you have to go and approach the peacock. In fact, that's the national bird of a country." Now, this crow wanted to have an appointment with this peacock. Finally, this crow couldn't find anywhere, but nevertheless in the zoo. The crow thought, "Oh, that's true, what parrot said was completely perfect. You see, so many people are coming and taking photos of this beautiful bird, peacock. So surely I should go and meet him." And when this crow started making an approach to meet this peacock, the peacock started speaking to this crow, saying, "I think you need to change your concept. You see, you think I'm the most beautiful bird. Yes, I might be beautiful, but look at me. I'm always in a zoo. Whereas in your case, you have so much of freedom. So don't try to find fault in others. You see how many good things you have in you." So in this way, the peacock told the beauty of the bird, and the bird was really happy. Similarly, there are 84 lakh species in this planet, and out of that, human life is like a loophole. It's very seldom, very rare. We are not human being with a spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings with human experience. So Srila Prabhupada, our ISKCON founder Acharya, he has given a very simple process by which we all can be happy, especially in the age of Kali Yuga. And the weapon which I'm talking about is, you all know it. Krishna Varnam Tusha Krishnam Sangopangasa Parshadam Yagna Sankirtana Prayar Ichintihi Sumedasa. So all those intelligent people, they do this. So if you are also intelligent, even you should do this. And what is that?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Rama Rama.
Hare Hare.
Yes, that's the mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's why Prabhupada says, chant Hare Krishna and be happy. So I thank you once again for your valuable time, and I hope and expect that we will come up with more videos. So stay tuned, be connected, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.